Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, legends. How you doing? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing all right. I hope you're doing awesome on this beautiful day, this awesome day, and this amazing day. Today is a great day. Today, we're going to preview a course called Traffic Cataclysm. Traffic Cataclysm, in a summary, welcome first to the TheMoeShow, number 49, with your host, Fawaz. And so today we're going to preview a course called Traffic Cataclysm. It's in summary, it's in a notch. It's a course teaching you how to get traffic from Facebook, free traffic from Facebook. So basically, instead of paying for the ads, instead of spending a lot of money, as you know, Facebook charges an arm and a leg now for traffic to get traffic from their platform. But this course is based on a $2,000 course. I'll show you in a bit. In $2,000 course, and it's summarized. It's condensed in a small version. Let's say the light version of that course for $12.95, whatever he's selling it for. Let's jump into the screen and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Come in. Okay, so this is welcome first to the most incredible bonus bundle. I'm going to show you exactly how what bonuses I'm going to give you. Also, if you're interested in the you're going to see the link in the bottom in the description box. And also, if you're coming through my email, the link is going to be in the email. I'm also going to leave it in the first comment in the YouTube video, in the first comment, just in case you missed it. Okay, so Traffic Cataclysm. It's actually based on Traffic Masters. Okay, so basically this guy, his name is Jasdeep Singh. Jasdeep, he's selling his course for $19.97. Okay, so basically he's full access of $25 of 25 hours of our training, members area, yada for $2,000. Free payment of $750. That's the payment plan. And it's the same guy who did that course. He's the same guy who actually created that course, and in a condensed way, in a light way. Actually, the two creators, the two owners, Philip and Dan, they helped Jasdeep to create that course. Actually, they are not doing that course. He's teaching that course directly inside the course. Okay, so let's jump in. So like I said, here, like I showed you, it costs $2,000, and here it's a light version of that course, which costs like $12.95 or $12.50. I'll show you in a bit. Okay, so let's jump into the bonuses right away. Bonus number one, you're gonna get Traffic Cataclysm bonus tutorial list building mastery class. This is a course that will teach you how to take care of your list, how to build your list from A to Z. Okay, so that's bonus number one. Bonus number two is gonna be a Bing ad mastery class. It's a class that will teach you Bing ads. Bing ads is an alternative and a competitor of Google ads that will get you more traffic and more leads from the search engines. So basically, this course is made for you to have an easy way to get leads and traffic from Bing by the one and only King of Marketing, Moez Fawaz. Okay. So again, bonus number three. Let's jump in and make it fast. Make money with Facebook Live. So bonus number three is make money with Facebook Live. And it's a course that will teach you Facebook, the ads, the fees, how to create your ads, how to create your ad, how to control your ad dashboard and all that. So basically, this course is from A to Z. Will teach you how to do it. And based on the course that I'm selling now, which is Traffic Cataclysm, which costs nothing, which costs like less than a small pizza. So that's it. Like without further ado, without talking too much about it. Okay. So bonus number four. Bonus number four is YouTube Mastery Class by King of Marketing, Moez Fawaz. So this will teach you how to increase your subscribers, how to increase your views, how to increase the engagement in the video from A to Z. Also, will teach you the course from A to Z. So this is bonus number four. Bonus number five, which is the most important bonus. Stick with me. Bonus number five, which is the most important bonus, which costs. This is a value of $500. Okay, so $500. This course which is a bonus tutorial, undisclosed bonus. I don't want to give you too much information about it, but basically this course will teach you how to make money online from A to Z. Okay, so how to be an affiliate, how to be a super affiliate, how to make money online. So this course alone made a lot of people money. I did not use that course, but I checked it out, and it gives you the basic information, and it gives you advanced steps to make money, big money in there. Okay, so basically don't miss that bonus. That's bonus number 5, and that's it. So basically, if you're interested, of course, you click on one of those green buttons scattered everywhere in the page. Okay, and then you arrive to the sales page. When you arrive to the sales page, which is this one, and you click on that green button, on that red button, get instant access, you're gonna arrive to the checkout page, which is access your purchase and access affiliate bonus. This is access affiliate bonus. That's where you're gonna get my bonuses right here, with the one I just mentioned. Okay, and here where you access your purchase. Okay, so I'll show you something beautiful before we go back and check out the price, the front end, and the OTOs. I'll show you something here. Okay, so basically, this is the sales page, which watch Just Deep make $68,000 using only free buyer traffic, then duplicate his exact result without spending a dime. Okay, so basically this is the course in a nutshell. Okay, so traffic cataclysm. Okay, so extremely, okay, let's pick up a pen. Let's take yellow. Okay, so extremely friendly engineer. Okay, so let's make it this small. Yeah. Beginner friendly, back to a real traffic master, all-in-one solution, unlimited buyer traffic, no further investment, 30-day money back guarantee, and that's it. Okay, so let's delete that. Let's go ahead and frustrated. Number 1, traffic. You all know that traffic is the lifeblood of the business, unfortunately. Okay, so you can check out the sales page by yourself, and this is just deep, as I mentioned before. Okay, so yeah, so whenever you, that's what I wanted to show you also. Whenever you move your mouse around the sales page, you're gonna get this exit pop. Don't click yet. Don't click off yet. You're gonna get 30% off traffic discount. So basically, 30% out of the $12.95. I'm guessing it's gonna be around. Hold on, let me click on it and see. I think it's gonna be around $6 or something. Okay, so $4. Okay, so basically you're gonna get it for $4 discount. 4 minus 12, $8.95. So basically you're gonna get that for $8.95. So you're gonna save a lot of money. Okay, so that's it. So let's go back, and then you can check the video by yourself. Okay, let's check it out. Here you have more proof. This guy made and while standing on stage, this guy sold his business, sold his courses, and made, look at this. He made 52 gross volume, $52,000 net volume, $50,000. Just standing in there and talking. Imagine. So that's why this guy, like I showed you here, he sells his course for $2,000. So that's a light summary of it. Okay, so let's exit this. Okay, so let's continue. More proof, more testimonials. Traffic cataclysm. Without creating your own product, without an email address. Okay, hold on. Without creating your own product, without email address, without e-com stores, without fancy site, without videos, without being an expert, without learning sales copy. Okay, so that's it. Continue on, yada, yada, yada. Same thing, sales page. That beautiful sales page that you have. Okay, so I wanted to show you this. I wanted to show you the bonuses that he's going to give you beside my bonuses. So beside the 5 bonuses I'm offering, he's offering you extra bonuses too. Okay, let's grab that pen. Okay, so bonus number 1, direct VIP support. Let's change the color. Direct VIP support to the traffic master. So as a customer, you will get DM access to all of us. We are making ourselves available directly to you to ensure ad success. Okay, so that's a big value as a personal coach that you're gonna get from them. Okay, bonus number 2, right here, exclusive behind the scene look into a 7-figure marketing business. Okay, Let's move. That's bonus number 2. Bonus number 3. Bonus number 3 is a 2-hour coaching. 2-hour coaching call with Traffic Masters. Okay, so Traffic Masters is the same as I showed you here in the course right here. Traffic Masters. Okay, he's actually giving you access to him as a coaching. Okay, let's go again. Bonus number 4, unfair advantage into business and live custom training. And bonus number 5 is approval, instant approval to promote traffic cataclysm. So basically you have the right to promote, they're going to give you an affiliate access to promote traffic cataclysm right there, right when you buy it, as a bonus number 5. Okay, so that's it. We're done here. Okay, so let's check it out. Check out the rest of the page. That's it. As I showed you, Philip, and then the owners and the creators of that course, and then Justip, he's the one that teaches that course inside. Okay, so let's go back and I'll show you the OTOs and the front end. So basically, Traffic Cataclysm, the front end is $12.95. Okay, you will learn exactly how Justip uses Facebook traffic to make up to $68,000 in a single month, or just 10 to 30 minutes a day. You will be able to start making big commissions with 100% traffic, free buyer traffic. Okay, that's number 1. OTO number 2. OTO number 1, sorry. Traffic Cataclysm hack, which is $47, downsell for $37. You will get a full access case study of how Google Ads expert turn penny clicks into big ticket commission. This has been revealed before and have the potential to scale your income to the next level. Okay, so straightforward. Okay, so upsell number 2, Traffic Cataclysm 7x income for $97 and a downsell of $67. As I mentioned before, to get that downsell, you just click X or not interested in the offer. When you are not, like, when you buy the front end and then you go to OTO, and if you're not interested, you try to exit, and it's going to tell you to instead of buying it for $47, they're going to give you the downsell of $37. Instead of buying it for $97, they're going to give you the downsell of $67. So basically, you know how to do it. It's a trick. So I hope you use it intelligently. Okay, 97 and 67. That's a downsell. Okay, let's continue on. Okay, so the first, hold on. Okay, so the OTO number 3, Traffic Cataclysm unlimited traffic, $197 downsell. Unlimited traffic, you will get to put your pixel, of course, the pixel and the sales pages that they own, and then from there you can funnel all the traffic from the sales pages that they have. Okay, easy peasy. Okay, so the OTO number 4, Traffic Cataclysm done for you income funnel. You will be able to import a done for you funnel personally made by us to place it in your profile to build your list and earn commission daily. Okay, this income funnel lets your customer instantly import a funnel template that has done $40,000 in sale for us personally. So basically, they're gonna provide you with a $40,000 funnel that you can use in your own site and your own blogs and all that. So that's gonna be $147 and a downsell of $97. And the last but not least, upsell number 5, which is the reseller rights. As you know, self-explanatory. Traffic Cataclysm resell rights for $97 and a downsell of $67. That means you own the product. You can change anything you want in it, logo, name, anything, and resell it by yourself and own all the rights to resell that and own it and write your name on it. Basically, that's it. Okay, that's it. Easy peasy. Done. Thank you again for hanging out with me, and thank you again for being a part of the TheMoeShow number 49. If you're interested, like I said, you can click one of those buttons, the green buttons, before November 2nd, Wednesday. Okay, and like when you click on it, you're gonna arrive to the sales page. I showed you how to access the purchase and to access the bonuses from the sales page. Again, hold on, I forgot. Here we go. Thank you again for hanging out with me with the TheMoeShow with Moez Fawaz, your host. Thank you again for your time, and have yourself a good day. Have yourself an awesome day. Have yourself a beautiful day. Be good. Be awesome. Be amazing. Be the best version of your life today and every other day. And again, peace. Pew.